Hello everyone, I hope you're doing fine. Well, in today's video, we will talk about two words, can, can't. So we will learn how to use them and also we will learn about their meaning. So the first sentence here, we have Superman can fly. So here, I want you to have a look at this video here or this little TV here. We have a Superman who is flying. He's not walking, he's not dancing or doing anything else. A Superman here can fly. If you look at the other TV here, you can see that the man is not flying, he's falling from cliff or something. So in this situation, we can say that the man can't fly. He does not have the ability to fly. Here is another example. You can see here that the man is driving the car. He has self-confidence. So in this situation, we can say that the man can drive a car. The other example here, the man here, he's not driving very well. He has problems controlling the car. So in this situation, we can say that the man can't drive a car, which means that he does not have the ability to drive a car. So, in short, we can say that can, we use it to talk about ability, something that we can do. We use can plus verb in the infinitive. Another example, here the man in the first video or in the first TV, what is he doing? We can say here that the man can swim. He has the ability to swim very, very well. So let's go to the other example. Can't, when we want to talk about inability, can't plus verb in the infinitive. So as you can see here, the woman, she's drowning. She doesn't have the ability to swim. So in this situation, we can say that the woman can't swim. So let's do a little practice here. What can she do? Look at the TV here. What can she do? We can say here that she can sing very well. On the other example, what can't he do? Which means something that he is unable to do. As you can see here, the man is barely walking and is barely breathing. So in this situation, we can say that he can't run at all. So to recap, we can say that can is used for ability in the present, can't is used for inability in the present. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.